Welcome to Code with Vinod. This is our second video tutorial on Django, and in this video we will learn Django file structure. When we will create a Django project, so automatically it will create some directories based. Let's say we have test project and we have test app. So test project, it's a project directory, and test app is a application directory inside the project test project. So we can create more than one app inside one project. So this is the main benefit of Django framework. And uh, apart from this, it's a completely structured based web framework. So we will learn about each files or directory step by step. So first we have test project. It's a project directory, and inside this directory we have some file, and in the test app we are also having some different file. So in the project directory and application directory we have some similarity, like we have init file inside the test app, as well as we have init file inside the project test project. So this test.py, it's a constructor file. So we use this file to make any directory as a package, we can say. So we will use this directory in each app and in the project as well. And in the project we have second main file is ASGI. So it's a asynchronous server gateway interface. So we will know about this when we will do actual demo. So basically we will use this file ASGI and WSGI file. Both are means not completely same, but both are same. So in previous versions of Django we were just having WSGI file only. So it's a web server gateway interface, and it's a asynchronous gateway server interface. So ASGI basically use, let's say we are working with multiple server in our Django project. Let's say we are applying some kind of background processing in our project. So in that cases we will use asynchronous uh, interface mapping with our web server. But in case of simple project we will use WSGI. And other file is settings.py. So inside the settings.py file we will keep our configuration file, and we will keep our database configuration, and our some static data related configuration, or secret variables related information. So we will configure and keep some data inside settings.py. Apart from this we have url.py. So in url.py, we will create our URL as per pages. Let's say to navigate on required page. And after then we have db.sqlite3. So this is Django by default database, but we can use other database as well with Django. And main important file is manage.py. So manage.py file, it's a command line utility based file. So with the help of this file we will run, or we can say we want to migrate something in our application, or we want to import some file. So with the help of manage.py we can perform this operation. So let's go on application files. So in application file we have admin.py. So in the admin.py we can communicate with our admin interface. So we will see the admin interface as well in next videos. So also second one we have apps.py, and this is also very important file. We will see about this file as well in the next videos. And models.py file. So in this file we will write some kind of methods and class to interact with our database. So it's a kind of relation we will make with between Python and actual database. So with the help of Python classes we will interact with the database. Let's say in case of creating any relational table, or to perform some actions on the table, so we will use models.py file. And in the test.py file we will write some test cases, and same like url.py. So this is the main urls.py. It's a main project URL file, and we will connect this URL file with applications url.py file as well. So we can create a number of apps. So we will connect all the app with this url.py file, and we have views.py. So this is very important file in our application. So in the views.py file, we will write all the operation or logics in the project. So this is for the complete Django file structure. So let's see the hello world project in the next video. So thanks for watching.